It used to be $200 before. You can bring in any product or any cargo from anywhere abroad to the U.S. market without customs clearances, tariffs, and too much inspection. No? In 2016, the minimis value in the U.S. was raised to $800. That's significant. So from $200 to $800. So this is the loophole, I would say, that was exploited by companies such as Shenzhen, Shein, and Temu from China. No? So what they do is they ship even bulk products, or they consolidate products. As long as it's less than $800, they ship it to the U.S. market. It gets in, no tariffs, no inspection, no nothing. And so they fix really the logistics part. It is more expensive to ship locally in the U.S. from one state to another, maybe a 1 pound package, rather than shipping it from China to the U.S. So that is key. So with that, I'm giving you that thought. Think of that the de minimis value of $800. If you could send over products to the U.S. less than that value, it will go through less, customs inspections, no tariffs. So it's easier to ship to the U.S. using that way. Now, the caveat is that the U.S. government is already plugging that hole. So you have to work fast. But the good news is that I think it's targeted towards a particular country, of course, China. So they're starting with products coming from China. But hopefully they will, we would still be able to use this route using the de minimis value of $800.
Okay. Yeah, Maggie.